Oh wait, feet don't count. Just trying to hit their feet.
Oh, feet don't count. That's just...
Yeah, that's what... Get it, I'll cover you. I didn't hit anybody. Hurry up, go.
My gun's not shooting. Hey, check.
Take cover over here. The respawn's right here, right? What? We just touched the door?
Yeah, just open the door.
How long is this game? Kyle?
He's up, respawn! Alright.
How long is this game?
Oh, 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, they need some help.
Well, I'm not even hitting them.
Alright, you guys are killing. Can I put you on with you?
Sure.
Yeah, just follow me. Dead player, let me spawn. Dead player, let me spawn.
I'm on your team now. There's respawn.
Damn, they lied me up.
I'm on.
Here, watch out.
Wait, I'm on your team. Here, come over here. I got a barrel cleaner. I'm on your team. He switched me. Use that. Use that to clean your barrel. There's paint in it. That's why you didn't hit me when you shot.
Yo!
This Kyle. Kyle! He needs his gun checked. Where are they? We're on respawn, so it's... Oh!
What are you shooting here? Are you going to stick and shoot?
Just respawn right there. They're at this corner. They're at this corner on the right. I'll watch left. This isn't a good spot.
What the fuck happened? Where everybody at?
Stephanie!
Yo!
Your gun's not shooting.
Huh, bro?
Your gun's not shooting.
It's not. Why?
Shoot the wall. No.
Not shooting?
Get Kyle. Kyle, paint check.
5 minutes. Alright, I'm coming. Hold on. Paint check.
Unscrew your barrel. Because there's actual balls stuck in there. So unscrew your barrel. And then you can push this squeeze. Just unscrew it like this. Take that thing. Give me that. See. That's what you had in there. Here, you could use my gun for now.
4 minutes. 4 minutes left.
Is it shooting, bro?
Yeah. There you go.
Who go for a tank check?
No, we're good. I was just fixing his gun.
Shit.
And it's pretty light trigger.
Hey, the flight guy's getting some castle.
Yeah.
You got one?
I think so, yeah.
Kyle. I need you. Yeah, I need you.
What's up?
Can't get this squeegee out of this barrel. I can't.
Self-sacrifice myself.
Can't get this. Don't worry about it. Just use that gun. I got the paintballs out, but now it's stuck in there. Thanks.
Yeah.
It's a pretty light trigger.
Yeah. Oh shit, you need the ammo.
Just keep using it. Here.
Use the ammo.
Here. Just use it.
And just press and just it go automatically?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit.
Can't blind fire. Can't blind fire. Shane.
Yeah.
I need your help. This gun's not working. Is it working?
Good.
Here, switch.
Yes, coming out. Hey, no! 1 minute. 1 minute remaining.
Alright, I'm gonna move.
Bro, where the fuck is they at?
They're right there.
Where?
They spawn right there. Are they in the top?
Bro.
Fuck. Can't blind fire.
Oh, really?
No.
Alright, bro, good luck.
Holy shit. I fucking love it. I love that noise.
Fuck yeah.
No, keep your mask on.
Oh.
Alright, you gotta walk the blind, alright?
Yeah, I warned him.
Yeah, he told me, bro. My fault.
Well, I saw you doing it too.
Me? No, I gave him my gun.
No, that was me, bro.
alright.
That was me.
Alright.
Because I was fixing his, so I gave him my gun.
Alright. Barrel plugs in the gun. Barrel plugs in the gun.
That was fun.
Need your barrel plug in, miss.
You can, right?
Barrel plug.